Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islami Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 12 from Madani Qaida Iqfa. How Iqfa rule will happen, we will learn in this video with examples. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is Iqfa? Iqfa is the second case of Noon Sakin and Tanween. What is the definition of Iqfa? If any Iqfa letter comes after Noon Sakin or Tanween, then Iqfa will be done or Iqfa rule will be happen. That is, Ghunna nasalization will be done. What is Ghunna? We will learn in this lesson as well. How many Iqfa letters are there? There are 15 Iqfa letters and they are Kaf, Qaf, Fa, Ra, Qa, Dad, Sad, Sheen, Seen, Za, Hal, Dal, Jeem, Tha, Ta, Ta. These are the 15 Iqfa letters. What is Noon Sakin? The letter Noon Sakin can be written as like this. Here Noon is Sakin because Noon has Sakin sign, Jazm sign or Sukoon sign on it. Any letter which has this sign on it, that letter is called Sakin sign. What is Ghunna or nasalization? Ghunna means taking the sound into nose. What is the duration or length of Ghunna? The duration of Ghunna should be equal to 1 alif. How we perform Ghunna we will learn with example in this video as well. What is Sakina letter or silent letter? As we have learned that any letter which has this sign, Sukoon sign, Jazm sign or Sakina sign on it, that letter called Sakina letter or Sakin letter or silent letter. How we pronounce the Sakina letter or silent letter? The letter which has Sukoon sign and Jazm sign on it is pronounced with the Mutaharrik letter coming before it. What is Mutaharrik letter? Any letter which has Zabar, Zer, Pesh, vertical or Khada Zabar, vertical or Khada Zer on it or below it is called Mutaharrik letter. What is Tanween? 2 Zabar, 2 Zer and 2 Pesh are called Tanween. In fact, Tanween is a Noon Sakin that is at the end of the word. This is why Tanween sounds like a Noon Sakin. For example, Hamza 2 Zabar An, Hamza 2 Zer In, Hamza 2 Pesh Un, An, In, Un. This lesson also comprises all the previous lessons, that is Harakat, Tanween, the letters of Madda, vertical or Khadi Harakat, the letters of Leen, the letters of Kalkala and the Sakina letter or Sakin letter. How we perform Iqfa, how Iqfa rule will happen with Ghunna, we will learn with example. First example is Meem, Noon, Zer, Min, Kaf, Zer ki, Ta, Khada Zabar Ta, Kita, Ba, 2 Zer Bin, kitabin. Here ikfa rule is happening here because there is ikfa letter comes after noon sakin. Noon is sakin here because noon has jazm sign, sakin sign or sukoon sign on it, and this is vertical or khara zabar, and this is tanween 2 zair. How we perform gunna with ikfa? Gunna means taking the sound into nose, and the duration of gunna should be one alif. Recite like this: min kitabin, min kitabin, min kitabin. Performing ikfa, we perform gunna, and gunna means we take our sound into nose. Min kitabin. The next example is Hamza noon zabar an, ta zabar ta, anta. Here ikfa rule is happening because there is ikfa letter comes after noon sakin. Here noon is sakin letter, sakina letter, because noon has jazm sign or sakina sign or sukoon sign on it, and we perform ikfa with gunna. Gunna means taking the sound into nose, and the length of gunna should be equal to 1 alif. How we perform ikfa with gunna? Anta, anta, anta. These are the examples of ikfa. In coming videos, inshallah, we will learn more example of ikfa. Thanks for watching. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.